What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue when your imported videos in After Effects are showing green footage. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The first step to resolving this issue is to disable hardware acceleration in After Effects. Open After Effects and go to Edit, Preferences, Display. In the display settings, look for the option called Hardware Accelerated Composition, Layer and Footage Panels and uncheck it. Click OK to save your changes and close the Preferences window. Next, you'll want to clear your cache in After Effects to ensure there are no lingering issues. Go to Edit, Purge, All Memory and Disk Cache. After Effects will prompt you to confirm that you want to delete all cache files. Click OK to proceed. Now that you've disabled hardware acceleration and cleared your cache, it's time to restart After Effects and import your footage again. Close and restart Adobe After Effects. When creating a new project and importing your footage, it will display correctly without the green issue. If the problem persists, ensure the footage you're importing is located where After Effects is fetching it. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.